to get 1099 from Instacart. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get 1099 from your Instacart account. So first of all, in order to get your 1099 text form from your Instacart, you need to be a seller on the Instacart platform. Just open the Instacart official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you don't have an account, just simply click on sign up and just create an account for yourself. And once you have created the account for yourself, and after that, in order to get the Instacart 1099 form, so if you have worked for the Instacart as a delivery driver or as a shopper, so you will be able to get the 1099 text form. But there is some criteria that you need to fulfill in order to get your 1099 text form. So if you have earned $600 or more during the tax year for a financial year, you will receive an email with the 1099 NEC from your Instacart as a Instacart text form. And if you don't receive any email with your Instacart 1099, you need to check your spam or junk folder to ensure the email address on your Instacart account matches your primary email address that you have entered in your Instacart account. You can also choose to receive your Instacart 1099 form as a paper copy in the mail as well. So you need to apply for that. But if you still didn't get the 1099 form yet, just go to the Instacart and use the platform called Strip Express, which allows you to view your earnings, review your tax information, and download tax forms from there, including your 1099 Instacart tax form. However, from the year 2023 tax years, shoppers will receive the form directly from Instacart. If you don't get your form, and the Instacart team will help you getting your tax form. So just reach out to them and get your 1099 tax form from them. So this is basically how you will be able to get your 1099 from your Instacart. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.